72 hours. 3 full days without food. Sounds scary, right? Most people think it's dangerous or extreme. But here's the twist. Your body is actually built for this. Going without food for a while doesn't just make you lose weight. It can switch on deep repair systems inside you. In the past few years, scientists have found something interesting. Fasting can help your body clean out damaged cells, improve blood sugar control, and even support your immune system. This isn't some new trend. Humans have been fasting for thousands of years. So, what really happens inside your body during 72 hours of fasting? Let's go step by step, hour by hour. Some of this might completely change how you think about food. The metaphor, the factory shutdown. Think of your body like a factory that never stops. It runs all day, every day. When you keep eating, the factory is busy. It's processing food, storing energy, and sending nutrients everywhere. There's no time to fix anything. The machines just keep running. Now imagine you stop eating. The factory slows down. Then something powerful happens. The repair team shows up. Instead of making new products, your body starts fixing itself. It removes broken parts, cleans waste, and recycles old material. This is what fasting really is. Not starvation, but a planned shutdown for deep repair. Now let's start the clock. Hours 1 to 12, the depletion phase. In the first few hours, nothing dramatic happens. Your body is still using the food you last ate. From 0 to 4 hours, you're in what's called the fed state. Your body is digesting food, and your blood sugar is slightly high. Insulin is also high, which tells your body to store energy. After about 4 hours, things begin to change. Your body finishes digestion and starts using stored energy. It pulls glucose from glycogen, a stored form of sugar in your liver and muscles. You have about 400 to 500 grams of glycogen stored. That's enough to keep you going for around 12 to 16 hours. Between hours 8 to 12, your insulin levels drop. This is important. When insulin is low, your body can finally access stored fat. At this stage, your body is slowly preparing to switch fuel sources. It's moving away from sugar and getting ready to burn fat. You might feel a little hungry, maybe a slight headache. That's normal. Your body is just adjusting. Energy levels are usually still stable here. Most people can go through this phase without much trouble. The factory is still running, but it's slowing down. The repair team is getting ready. Hours 12 to 24, autophagy begins. Now things get interesting. Around 12 to 16 hours, your glycogen stores start running low. Your body needs a new fuel source, so it switches to fat. Your liver begins turning fat into ketones. These ketones become a new energy source, especially for your brain. Around this time, a process called autophagy starts to turn on. It sounds scary, but it's actually a good thing. Autophagy means self-cleaning. Your cells start breaking down damaged parts inside them. Old proteins, broken structures, and useless material get removed. Think of it like cleaning out junk from a messy room. Your body is recycling what it can and throwing away what it doesn't need. This process is controlled by two key signals in your body. One called mTOR goes down, and another called AMPK goes up. This shift tells your body to stop growing and start repairing. By the time you reach 18 to 24 hours, autophagy is increasing more and more. Your body is now focused on cleanup and repair instead of growth. Ketone levels also rise during this time. Many people start to feel more mentally clear. Hunger may come in waves, but it usually doesn't stay constant. This is also where your body becomes more efficient. It starts using energy in a smarter way. The factory is no longer producing. The repair team is now fully working, clearing out old and damaged parts. Hours 24 to 36, the immune system resets. At 24 hours, your body is fully in fat-burning mode. Glycogen is mostly gone now. Fat and ketones are your main fuel sources. Autophagy is stronger at this stage. Your body is actively cleaning cells across different organs. Your liver, muscles, brain, and even your immune system. And this is where something powerful happens. Your immune system starts to reset. Over time, your body builds up old immune cells. These cells don't work properly anymore, but they don't go away easily. During fasting, your body begins removing these weak and damaged cells. It breaks them down and clears them out. Why? To save energy and improve efficiency. At the same time, your body prepares to build new immune cells. When you start eating again, fresh, healthy cells are produced. This process is linked to stem cells in your bone marrow. These stem cells help rebuild your immune system from the ground up. Research has shown that longer fasts, like 72 hours, can support this regeneration process. It's like replacing an old, tired army with a new, stronger one. By hour 36, ketone levels are high. Many people report better focus and mental clarity. Hunger often decreases because your body is now used to burning fat. Hormones also adjust. Norepinephrine may increase slightly, helping you stay alert instead of tired. Inflammation in the body may start to reduce as well. This can support overall healing. At this point, the factory isn't just being cleaned, it's being upgraded. Old systems are being removed. New ones are getting ready to take their place. And this is only halfway through the 72-hour journey. Hours 36 to 48. Deep fat burning and mental clarity. Now you're 36 hours in. At this point, your body has used up almost all its stored sugar. So, it fully switches to fat. Not slowly, but aggressively. Your body starts breaking down fat at a high rate. And it doesn't just use any fat. It goes after visceral fat first. The deep fat around your organs, which is the most harmful. This fat is easier for your body to access, so it burns it faster. That's why extended fasting can have a strong effect on belly fat and internal fat. At the same time, your liver is producing a lot of ketones now. These ketones become your main fuel. And here's where things feel surprising. Most people expect to feel weak and tired at this stage, but many people report the opposite. Between hours 40 to 48, your brain starts running mostly on ketones. And ketones are a very clean fuel. They don't cause the same energy crashes as sugar. So, your brain gets a steady supply of energy. This is why many people feel sharp, focused, and calm. Not hyper, just clear. There's also a chemical change happening in your brain. Ketones help increase something called BDNF, a protein that supports brain growth and function. This can improve memory, focus, and overall mental performance. At the same time, inflammation in the brain starts to go down. This can make your thinking feel smoother and more stable. Hunger also changes here. It doesn't disappear fully, but it becomes quieter. Instead of strong hunger waves, it feels more like background noise. Something you notice, but it doesn't control you. Your energy also stabilizes. You might not feel super energetic physically, but mentally, you feel very steady. Your body is also increasing growth hormone levels. This helps protect your muscles and supports repair. Some studies show that growth hormone can increase a lot during a 48-hour fast. This helps your body maintain strength while burning fat. Inside your cells, autophagy is still active. Your body is cleaning and recycling damaged parts. Even your mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside cells, are being repaired or replaced. By now, your body is running lean and clean. Hours 48 to 72. Stem cell activation and full reset. Now you cross 48 hours. This is where things go deeper. At this stage, your body starts activating stem cells. Stem cells are like master cells. They can turn into different types of cells your body needs. Normally, they stay quiet. Your body doesn't use them much when food is always available. But during extended fasting, your body sends a signal. It tells these stem cells to wake up. This happens because growth signals like mTOR are very low, and repair signals are very high. So, your body shifts fully into regeneration mode. Stem cells begin preparing to replace old and damaged cells. This includes immune cells, gut cells, and even some tissue cells. At the same time, autophagy is at one of its highest levels. Your body is clearing out deep cellular waste. Old proteins, damaged cells, and useless material are broken down and removed. This is like a full deep clean of your system. Your immune system also continues its reset. Old, weak immune cells have already been cleared out. Now your body is getting ready to rebuild them. When you eat again, new, stronger immune cells are created. This process has been seen in research, especially in people under stress, like chemotherapy patients. Their immune systems showed signs of regeneration after fasting. By 72 hours, your body has shifted deeply. It burns fat efficiently, improves insulin sensitivity, and reduces inflammation. Your gut gets rest, and your mind feels calm and clear. This is a full reset. The factory didn't just stop. It repaired, cleaned, and came back stronger and more efficient. How to do this safely? Now this part matters the most. A 72-hour fast is not something you should start suddenly. If you're new, begin small. Try 12 hours, then 16, then 24, and slowly build up over time. Drink enough water every day, around 2 to 3 liters, because your body loses more fluid without food. You also need electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. A little salt and water can help. If you feel dizzy, very weak, or unwell, stop immediately. When breaking the fast, don't eat heavy food. Start light like soup or eggs. And always avoid long fasts if you're pregnant, diabetic, or on medication without medical advice. 72 hours without food. Your body burns deep fat. It cleans out damaged cells. It resets your immune system. It improves how your body handles sugar. It even activates stem cells to help rebuild and repair. This is not extreme. This is your body doing what it was designed to do. The real question is not, can your body do it? The question is, are you ready to let it happen? If this helped you understand fasting in a simple way, stick around. We break down complex things into easy, real talk like this every week. And tell me, have you ever fasted for more than 24 hours? What did it feel like for you?